Hi, this is Julie Farlinger, and I am presenting my JavaFX project. To begin, I will go ahead and run my code to show that it is running. Here is the data that I have programmed to run and store in the columns shown here in Scene Builder. I will move over to Scene Builder so you can see that the columns I have set up within the table are right here. The XML for this table setup is shown here in the employee overview XML file, showing the different columns in the table. I'm going to open up the show employee controller here, and in my controller code you will see that these @fxml references, these are connection points between the Java code and the fxml code. For this project, the @fxml references connect the table created in the Scene Builder to the Java code shown here in the show employee controller. And if you go back to Scene Builder, to tell which class controls that controls Scene Builder, you need to set up a controller in the document controller section down here on the lower left corner of Scene Builder. For this project, the full package name of the controller code was here in the employee view show employee controller, which is also found here, employee view show employee controller. In the inspector code area up here, I entered an ID, an FX ID name for each object. And in this project there is a table object and then 3 columns, and each of them have their own unique identifier, which are then used in the Java code to connect the proper component. Down here in the document controller shows all of the objects that were used and the FX unique identifiers that they were named. And then in the main app for this project, the employee method from the employee class right here is called in the main app to display the data that we are putting into the array list. And you can see that information right here, which is then what gets called when I run the program. That's it for my Project FX demonstration. If you have any questions, please email prjJavaFX@gmail.com. Thank you.